Hello guys, it's Andi Felias here and welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry if I look this way. I just put on a little makeup. I just woke up, by the way. Today is a very special vlog because this is the first time I'll be doing an unboxing for items that I purchased recently online. Well, my channel is more about travel as well as adventure, but at the same time, I also wanted to share to you my most recent purchases online, do unboxing vlogs as well, or videos, and see how the experience went. I also wanted to share tips about buying things online. So if you wanted to know more about the latest vlogs or my latest adventures, travels, or any videos that you might consider liking and subscribe. At the same time, at the end of this video, please consider letting me know your thoughts by putting on the comment section below. So again, this is an unboxing, and here with me is the package that actually arrived yesterday. So I ordered these items from one seller from Shopee. This is not a promotion, okay? Shopee did not pay me for this. So again, I purchased these items online. Well, if you know Shopee, if you've done shopping or online shopping with Shopee.ph, or if you also have the app, most of the items that they have, they actually consider free shipping, especially if the items or the total amount of the items that you purchase is more than 500 pesos. So I made sure that my purchase went beyond 500 pesos so that I can actually get free shipping. So you can actually check that for most items that you have on Shopee. Here it is. This is from Seller Lemon online shop. So this is being shipped by Black Arrow. It's like a shipping company that most sellers on Shopee would actually consider. So again, this is completely sealed. I haven't opened it yet, so let's see how it goes. And by the way, this is age restricted. I will let you. I'd like to inform you as early as now that this is an age restricted vlog. So strong parental guidance is strictly advised. So I have here the packing slip. So I have here the my details, my name, my address, also the name of the seller as well as their contact information. And if I would have to return these items, then it's going to be easier for me to do so. So let us open it. How do I? You guys can see this. Okay, yeah. Okay. Let's see. First item on the list is this is actually not a blanket. I was about to tell you it's a blanket. I'm sorry. I haven't eaten anything yet. Even had my coffee, and it's 6 a.m. I'm here in Cebu, inside my hotel room. So this is actually a towel, and it's wrapped around. So this is the packaging. I hope you guys can see that. I'm not sure if the autofocus is being enabled. So I ordered pink. Let's see. Ooh, I like the feel of the fabric. Well, I think this is super absorbent. And okay, so this is actually how it looks like here. So you can actually just wrap it around. How does it go? Well, I'll try to figure out how to do this. So this is the manual. Definitely you cannot read the Chinese characters, but you have here the manual, how to insert your arms on the holes on this towel. Maybe I could actually take a picture of myself wearing it after taking a bath. Okay, so this is the first item on the list. I have here a towel. Next would be the oh, this one. Well, with the most items that I actually purchased online, most of them always have bubble wraps, you know, to secure the packaging. But this one doesn't have any, and at the same time, some of the boxes are actually ruined inside. So I'm not sure if I'm going to give this seller 5 stars for this. But, well, if it doesn't affect the performance of the product or the product is not completely ruined, so why not? But I would definitely love sellers, packing my items securely, but putting on bubble wraps or maybe some extra papers on it so that it doesn't look this way and it still looks presentable if I receive the item. And I still have the packing slip. By the way, it tells me exactly what the items are inside. And then I also have here the names of the item and the price that I paid. So with the first item that we have on the list, it's the microfabric bath towel. That's the reason I told you that it's super absorbent, I guess. And that is only for 95 pesos. Well, value for money, I would consider it's a thumbs up. So that's the microfabric towel. Next is, I have here the hair removal cream. The brand is Felias. Most of the items that I saw on Facebook, as well as on Lazada and Shopee, I would say that this could be a trusted brand. I've seen comments, but I'm not really sure if they're paid advertisements or paid promotion. But I will definitely have another vlog or video, using them and see how it goes and see if this is really the original Felias hair removal cream. So I have how many sachets did I purchase? I actually purchased 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this is the hair removal cream from Felias. Well, I cannot also read the characters at the back as well as in front, but I've actually seen the description of the seller, so I can just check it online and see how to use this one. But this is actually pretty quick and easy. You just have to apply it on the part of the body or the hairy part of the body, and then leave it for I think a few minutes, and then just scrape it with a spatula or something. So another vlog for this, I'll promise you that. Also, let's go to the age restricted part. So one of the boxes one of the items that I purchased is actually this. I know you guys can read that one. The packaging is pretty much ruined. Okay, it has a promise of having a realistic one. Okay, let's see. So it's not packaged properly, so this is what happened. So, well, the color of the one on the picture on the box is definitely not the same picture of the one that I ordered. This is pretty big. Okay. this is going to be very, very painful if we're going to use it. So let's see, where's the pot? Okay, it's pretty massive. It's humongous. It's a monster. Okay. Let's see, I think this is battery operated. This is, I'm not really sure. See, the packaging is even open. You take that out, so it's hard to pull it out because it's silicone. Let's see, I guess the batteries are here. Huh, I think this is going to be to, oh, the battery that is needed is I'm not sure, those square ones. I forgot the name of that kind of battery, but it's pretty big actually. Oh, okay, so it has a control. It has a control at the bottom of this thing. It says here high and low depending on the amount of maybe penetration that you wanted. It is. Okay. Oh my god. Alright. This is pretty huge. Okay. I think so much for this item. Definitely I'm not gonna make another vlog, trying it out. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm ready for that. So, okay. Next would be this is if you have this, then you would consider also having this. This is a lubricant. It says here, it's the Olo water soluble thick body lubricant. Meaning to say you can use this in love making as well as putting on the toys if you're, playing with the intimate part, so that it's going to be less painful and it's like, the toys through its way of wherever it should be. So definitely it's sealed. Let me smell it. It doesn't have any fragrance, but it has a little, Okay. I think that's the reason why they say that it's thick. Okay, just trying it out on my skin. So this is 50 ml. It says here hyaluronic acids. It says Climax. Okay, I'm not sure if you really need that. This is for, let's see here. This is 50 ml for 45 pesos. And I actually bought 2 of these. So that's one, or this one. Then I have the second box. Okay. So that's the next item. And then, I still actually purchased, it's the same thing, but this one comes in sachets. You don't want to, bring the whole tube inside your bag and, bring it anywhere, but you can definitely have this. You can take one, maybe, or 2 inside your wallet, inside your bag, but I really don't know with you. But I actually purchased that. This is, it's a water soluble thick body lubricant. So it's still the same thing, but it comes in a sachet. It's 5 pesos each, and I actually purchased 30 of those. I have a lot, I'm not gonna count them. I'm pretty sure that I have 30 in my hands. Okay. So, okay, you can use one sachet, please, or often you wanted to use it. And the last one will be this is, where's my packet, right? This is the 10 pieces Extreme Love Sex Condoms for Adults. It says here the variation spiral, and I purchased one box, 10 pieces, and the box cost 50 pesos. Pretty much very, what do you call this, affordable, but I think call centers are actually giving condoms for free. So, see? Oh. It's actually cute because it's cartoony or cartoon-ish. I don't know. In case I have 10 pieces. But if you want to check how it really looks like, then we can actually try one of these. No, what I'm trying is I wanted to open one of the sachets. Okay, let's see. It's a spiral. I'm not really sure what they mean by that. Oh, since we have this, it smells nice. It smells cherry-ish. So I'm just using this for the demo, by the way. Okay. Let's see if it actually fits. Ah. Okay. It fits perfectly. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Because I still have to get my coffee and get breakfast. So these items I purchased from Lemon Online Shop. Did I mention it right? Lemon Online Shop on Shopee. You can actually check them out. Again, this is not a promotion. This is not a paid advertisement. I'm just, having my first unboxing about these items that I purchased online. So again, I will post videos if it helps. Like I will post videos about the hair removal cream and see how it goes and how effective it is. And at the same time, let me know your thoughts by putting in the comment section below. Again, this is an age-restricted vlog, the first time ever age-restricted vlog. Watch out for more videos, watch out for more unboxing from items or any kind of items under the sun that are purchased online from any of those online marketplaces. And at the same time, I might also give you tips and tricks on how to purchase items online. And at the same time, please do consider supporting me by liking and subscribing on my channel. And again, this has been Andi Felias. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next vlog. See ya.